Host. Welcome back to NS Autoreviews. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Caterpillar Ag Tractor 5140, one of the most powerful and efficient tractors on the market. If you're into heavy-duty machinery and want to know all about its features, price, and why it stands out in the agricultural sector, stick around for the full review. So, let's dive into the details. Cut to shots of the tractor in action on a field. Host. The Caterpillar Ag Tractor 5140 comes equipped with a 514 horsepower engine, designed for optimum performance on large-scale farms. It's built to handle tough terrains with ease, ensuring maximum productivity whether you're plowing, tilling, or hauling. With advanced hydraulics, enhanced transmission, and a fuel-efficient design, this tractor offers smooth and reliable operation for long working hours. Another standout feature is its integrated GPS system, providing precise navigation and reducing overlap, saving both time and fuel. Cut to a close-up of the tractor's cabin. Host. Caterpillar has also focused on operator comfort in the 5140 model. The cabin is spacious with ergonomically designed controls, a state-of-the-art touchscreen display, and climate control to ensure a comfortable working environment, even during long shifts. The 5140 is equipped with the latest connectivity features, allowing farmers to monitor performance data, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules right from their smartphones or laptops. Cut to the host walking around the tractor, pointing out key details. Host. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Caterpillar Ag Tractor 5140 is priced at approximately $350,000, depending on customizations and regional factors. While the price may seem high, the value you get in return is outstanding. It's designed for durability, long-term usage, and improved farm productivity. With lower maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency, this tractor offers excellent long-term value for larger farming operations. Host stands in front of the tractor for the closing shot. Host. To sum it up, the 2025 Caterpillar Ag Tractor 5140 is a robust and high-performing machine, perfect for those who need serious power and reliability on the field. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, comfort, and efficiency makes it a top choice for modern agriculture. If you're in the market for a new tractor, this one should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching NS Autoreviews, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, fade out with the channel logo and a call to action.